Let us do a quick revision of C pointer fundamentals in this session. So what is a C pointer? A pointer is a variable that holds the memory location or the address of another variable. It can also hold the address of a memory block. So what is the need for pointers, or why do we use pointers? Unlike many high level programming languages like Java and Python, which does not support pointers, C programming language supports pointers, and C is considered to be a mid-level programming language. So using pointers, we can deal with memory. So we can access memory locations and manage the data in these locations. So how do we make use of pointers in C? Just like any variable, a pointer variable must be declared and initialized before it can be used. And also please remember, the type of the pointer must be of the same type the pointer points to. So if we have an integer k, and if we want to make use of and refer to the address of this particular variable, we need to declare a pointer of type int. So this is how pointers are declared using the asterisk operator. So pk is a integer pointer. So once a pointer has been declared, we need to also initialize it. So we initialize a pointer typically by making use of the address of operator. So as you can see here, pk is equal to ampersand k, meaning pk holds the address of the variable k. So once a pointer has been declared and initialized, we can make use of pointers within the program in two ways. So that is called as pointer duality. So within the program, we can refer to the pointer without the asterisk operator and with the asterisk operator. So when we make use of a pointer without the asterisk operator, we refer to the address pointed to by the pointer variable. And when we make use of pointer with the asterisk operator, that means we are referring to the value at the address. Now let us see these concepts with a simple C program. So let us write a C program to understand pointer fundamentals. So let us get started by including the standard C header file. So hash include stdio.h, and then let us write our main function and return 0, and then write our logic. Say we have an integer variable x and initialize this variable with the value 10. So if we want to refer to the address of this variable, we need to declare a pointer. So let us have an integer pointer px. So as in line 6, we can see px is a integer pointer. So this is how a pointer is declared. So once a pointer has been declared, we also need to initialize the pointer. So we can initialize the pointer px using ampersand. So px holds the address of the variable x, so ampersand x. Now we can print the address and the value at the address using the asterisk operator and without using the asterisk operator. So printf, if we do not use the asterisk operator and just say px, we are referring to the address. So in the placeholder, we can make use of %p to refer to the address. So %p/n. So let us print the address, and also let us print the value at this address, which is 10. So to print the value at the address, we make use of the asterisk operator. So the value at the address is a integer. So let us modify or change %p to %d. Alright. So let us build and run this code. GCC file name 172 pointer revision1.c. Alright, we don't have an error. Let us run the program using ./a.out. So as we can see, we get an address which could be different in different operating systems, and we get the value at the address. Alright. So guys, that was an introduction to C pointers. Thank you.